to boy Chiti the hustler one time. I'm back with the episode today. Hamba ne out yami. Hamba nabani.
Yeah, hamba na King Shaker too. Yeah, DJ waselokishini lo bafethu.
Atakhala bafana namhla ngintshele ngathi sidobuya kutoba late kakhulu nginilandzele yena bafana. Uthi una 5 years ak DJing akuse. Imvula yendawo kula siyalukweni kuyanyiwa. Guys kuyanyiwa nani yamkena ekuse. Ekusawuthi mina longa yisho nje bamvini.
No bafethu lengakusho is not much. Like DJing is like a sport, it's like a talent. Yeah. So if nikhona out there you wanna be DJs, just focus on it, nike patience, then be dedicated yonke into yoba mnandi and trust God. Everything is possible with God.
Alright, okay kusengiyakena ngabajuba ngingafika lapha esiyalweni kuse ngiphi nje out loyivumako kuse nge DJ nemajita lo nawo uyabona but usho ukuthi kuse but intwana yami lena kuse nginika nje ukuthi nami mangito DJ angisho ukuthi kuse ngidoba ne competition yani and enjoy ukuthi game kuse ngiba nje out lenawo lapha etafuleni nje lapha ngimayalo usho ukuthi kuse iyathinza mayifikile kabi kakhulu.
No, okay, majita akhona ayadlala, they playing nice songs as banning and yeah, its competition is very high. That's the thing ukuthi kuyashiyana wena mfethu ngalokuthi is DJ ama categories la ngafani yabo. Sibo DJ omunye udlala ihouse, lomunye udlala hip hop, lomunye udlala igqom, lomunye udlala 3 step like me so mina me fan of 3 step ne afro so amajita aya performa onke grand afake hit ngendlela ehlukahlukene. So onke nje amajita vele ngiyavuma. Salute to the gents nani khona if you see this video guys ngiyanisalute abafethu chubekani ngegame ichubeke ngendlela eniphusha ngayo yonke into izohlangana kancane.
Isu bafethu is Pressure Kids TV bafethu I'm back again. So awuthame kuse nembuto nyana nje lemncane yabona. So ngifuna kubuta nje ukuthi yini ama challenge lo faceana nawo mawulapha etafuleni especially maybe sekhanza ukuthi sekusuka imisindvo nyana yabona lengathi nje le ifani yabona.
Yeah. No, ama challenges abakhona because we DJing in different locations.
Yeah.
So if you DJ in different locations so people from different locations expect different vibes yabo. So kunemuntu wena mawuzofika udlala 3 step thola ukuthi kuleyo location bathanda igqoma vele there is a pressure ukuthi wena ufuna uze ushifte kule 3 step yakho bese sodlala igqoma ngathi noma uyangithola yini so letinto leto sidibana nako vele when we DJing ukuthi ipressure yala music labanye bazokujabona ukuthi ma DJ mfethu there is this people bahlezi bakhona vele emagigini yabo bafike ukuthi kuseyawudlala ingoma nekanje while you know ukuthi le ngoma labathi idlale it's way beyond le playlist lofuna kuyidlala so ikuba ngileyo pressure leyo ukuthi ke abantu aba understand music ngokufanana yabo njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sinabo DJ laba DJ ngama categories la ngafani so ipressure siyithola lapho mfethu ukuthi abantu bathanda music lo ngafani ngesikhathi lesingafani so now DJ avele lokushini funa bese so accommodate konke yabo udlala iafro badlala ijazz hip hop ikwaito igqom kuze bonke babe satisfied.
So when you belong to the crowd like mau DJ like you come ngane list ukuthi vele lamhlanje udlala this hits or ufocus ukuthi tofika umva athi ngicoko ngidlala ingoma leso or khamba.
No, as a DJ mina I believe ukuthi you must have your playlist. Lo cause vele playlist you prepare yona usasendlini before going to the crowd. You're listening to the songs before going to the crowd uzwe now ukuthi okay this track is beyond limit yabo igrand inale hit you can perform for people so vele uyiqala endlini lento le bese so ikhipha ebantwini so grand.
Nice one dokuphathe kusekunana bogeni laba khanza uthi uya DJ lapha so kucheckile lapha kuse akasayinyakade because ngike ngacheck lapha ngithi yo ekuse angathi usikwendekala nusuka sobendani ngani wena ekuse mase kwendeka kanjalo so ngicocela khanza so focusile sokubukile kusena akasmileli kwala
like no kuyenzeka nje yami lokho vele kwakhona yabo so vele ama fans they love ama DJ they love us actually they love our music leswadlala isibadlalela bona and they are happy with that so vele leyo pressure le iba khona so now ugcina so ungasafocus yabo because bayofika ngendlela ehlukahlukene omunye uzoma yabo akupoint omunye yabo enze ama silly stuff sokufuna ukuattract yabo but then if you are DJ mina I believe ukuthi ama fans now are right anawo ilungelo lokwenda la kufuna kukwenda angathi noma uyang understand
so uke wa collector lapha kanzi
na bra ayenziwa lento leyo kahle yabo because now
namanga dog
like, okay honestly like mina I owe myself I feel like nangabe uyothatha icherry kule club lo DJ akuyo kuyoba nzima for bona or for yena because maybe mhlambe you having another gig next time so mawufika vele kuyoba ne different approach from her anwena senajola so vele sekumele abe la celeni yabo nawe ke sekumele udlale lo music othandwa nguye just to impress her yabo that's why I believe ukuthi mina mfethu if you've got a chick iba ne chick uhlale nayo grand oyithole aside not let us ema clubini angisho ukuthi ni wrong bafethu anisiko wrong ni right but luckily nami ngambona yabo lapha eclubini lo that's okay mangini check ngithi okay this girl is cool Abo let me give you a shy yabo. So like konjalo bra, so nakuyenzeka vele umthole, but then mina aim yami is to focus on my music, jabulise ma fans, jabulise abantu abakhona kuleyo ndawo ngisuke ngidJ kiyo, then yonke into iba grand.
Okay, ngikumentionele magama kuse 4 DJs lebakhona lapha etafuleni lenabo nje majita lensinza nawo.
Oh, okay, sinaye Bandile King DJ, I don't know mhlambe you know him, shout out to my guy. Sinaye la Lemonade Amo, King Gqom, you know vele.
Yeah, shout out to Lemonade.
Yeah, shout out to Lemonade, inja yami edlala iGqom vele. Since from then he's been my number 1 Gqom player like us. Okay, recently ngimazi yabo. So sinabo King Soul, sinabo Sam K. So we having nice DJs like us labadlala ama different categories of music.
Okay.
Shout out to Nine Machita, One Love.
Lemonade,
Bandile, Crip Soul, then it's Sam K DJ.
All right, nika abane kwari nemajita kanziseni bange macheri.
No, lokho kuyenzeka, but then kushiyana ngawe ukuthi wena uadapta njani to that pressure bo. Because momjita vele thothi sithanda umuntu ofanayo, but simthanda ngendlela ehlukahlukene. Mhlambe wena uthanda ibody structure yakhe yabo. Mina ngithanda ipersonality yakhe. Kushiyana ukuthi ngiyamazi noma ngimazi yabo. But kuyenzeka lokho, but nje manje majita ne civilized nibo DJ niyathi lokuthi vela ama pressure la kanje na kanje nihle nibhekana nawo. Sekushiyana ngani ukuthi ni adapta njani, nilungisa njani, nichubeke nidlala itrack yeni, ningalwisani just because of ichike. Kusema cherry ayazalwa kuyinamuhla. Ngeke ubaqede labantu laba yabo.
But majita akhala guys, athetha nemacheri rawo lapha eksebese sebajika abana nix kuhambani kwendengalani kanini bentana labantwana ekse.
It's a game mfethu, igame injalo. If wena you play music or you attract icherry umuntu, that doesn't mean ukuthi ifuna ukhethe leyo cherry noma sogcina sothandana leyo cherry.
Bathi bayalahleka labantwana mase kuphela mase kuvala bese
no bayalahleka vele kunemajita vele la afika lapha afika vele kutoshaya le mission. Vele atofika lokuthatha vele labo bantu laba labalahleka yabo. But nje angi emphasize lokho bafethu emajiteni, nangabe wena ugrand, you stay with your chick, nibe humble, nibe honest, nithandane kube grand, nishiye igroove, nabe niphume negroove, focus on igroove. Shiye lokunye eceleni bafethu yonke into yoba mnandi, will enjoy the party.
No, imama sikhona.
Ngeyihlali ngabe khona. Unfortunately akekho la kithi. Yeah, but then shout out to my chick Bongiswa Nene Sephongolo. She's been great to me. Yeah.
Tojabula dog ekse tojabula kuse is too big ukuthi umbite phambi kwabantu ngaso.
No, like it's honesty that my chick mfethu since from 2022 October on 28 August 2022 she's been there, she's been nice to me, she's a great chick. So kunzima vele as a DJ because mangebe akekho wena on your side. So vele siba nema competitions nema pressures from different approaches kumacheri yabo. But bese sekushiyana ngamfethu ukuthi adapta njani. Do you know your chick uyazazi ukuthi umephi wena life?
But promise me that ukuthi on a second chapter soba nice.
Second chapter uzoba khona
manto bushafa.
Obvious mfethu. Ngeke uhlale ungashafi wena uphethe diamond esandleni sakho. Shuthi manje mangakunika idiamond manje mfethu uthi nayi there is diamond manje uyayibheka ngezandla. So vele you were shafing, you smile vele. So she's been great for me, like she's been my treasure since from day one.
Akathuka ukuthi mawe bamvini mawe DJ like akabi namahloni uyakuthemba ne?
No, uyangithemba njengoba ngimthemba.
Thembekile wena.
Kancane.
Awona manje siyamdisappoint.
No, okay ngithembekile but kancane uyathi simajita mfethu sihle silingeka yabo. Leyo pressure siyathi ukuthi emajita kanjani si easily tempted eqinisweni lonke vele simajita. But nje ngi-emphasize ukuthi I've been there, I've been seeing ama different approaches from emachiki bese sekushiyana ngathi uthi wena uyazazini ukuthi umephi njengoba bengishilo.
Akusedog mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi uphila nemajita yini out the grand yabo. So ngibani nje out loyivumayo nge lifestyle uthi mayibuka nje kusekusaya inja yami mfana noma ivaya kanje ucheck iwalk uthi kuselakaza bona ngeke ngiyamvuma kakhulu inja yami.
No, okay fine. Nemajita mina mfethu lakasi yabo. Abanye aba DJ abanye ngiyabati nje emajita yabo. Ngiyakuninja yami lenja ngiyayifrostana blind yabo. Angathi noma no understand but ngitiwe igama lakho mfethu. Inja yami le since from day one.
Chaza yini?
No, like i-grand yabo. Open yabo umjita nje lo willing to understand umjita khona understand the situation yakho neyami yabo. Sihlanganise skip into right. Shout out to Diu la khona njami One Love.
So excellent. So guys, I hope it's next time. So we are second episode with my guy here. Tobe kumnanzi kakhulu. Kusinyalo serashini nathi yabo weekend. Sayike ma vibe pa bangene. Pleasure Kiss TV boputi the house now one time. So bangena